Unlock the secret to sales success through practical strategies, techniques, and best practices that navigate complexities and meet customer needs. Enter sales methodologies. This video provides an engaging and appealing consultative selling training module with comprehensive content and attractive layouts. This resource enables you to distinguish between consultative and traditional selling approaches with unparalleled clarity. If you want to access this feature-packed training module, download this from the link below. You will rediscover essential consultative selling skills like curiosity, active listening, and skillful questioning, while also addressing genuine issues of the prospect, such as who, what, why, and how. This presentation also unveils the consultative sales process, encompassing 6 vital stages from research and trust building to closing deals and follow-up. An additional feature of this guide is the key takeaways section, providing a convenient reference document. If you want to build a top-notch sales team, download this module from the link right away. You will receive a concise test designed to facilitate easy recall of the topic and enhance the learning experience for trainees. This test includes thought-provoking questions, making it a convenient and comprehensive tool for world-class guidance. This presentation is your one-stop solution to understanding sales methodologies. Download it now to get started. For more unique templates and presentations, visit www.slideteam.net.